one gig changed everything for me. What started as a $5 task turned into clients trusting me to launch and scale their products on Amazon, manage thousands in ad spend, and handle what they call their bread and butter. Hi, I'm Anu Patel, founder of Ads Zenith. I have said this many times in my videos that I started working on Amazon ads as a freelancer, but it was not an overnight success. Just Fiverr gigs and non-stop learning from everything I could find online and building trust one client at a time. In this video today, I'll show you the Fiverr gig that started it all, my reviews, what I offered, and how it set the foundation for everything I do now. So let's dive in. Okay, so we are inside my computer screen and this is my Fiverr selling account, my Fiverr selling dashboard. Let's go straight to the gigs. This is, okay, you see here, set up, manage and optimize Amazon PPC campaign. This is that gig I was talking about. And here is the preview in front of you, the same gig which from where it started all. Okay, so this is the title. I'll set up, manage and optimize your PPC Amazon PPC campaigns. My name, and here you see this is my profile picture, not profile picture, this is my gig image actually. I saw this in 2018, not changed much. And this here is some portfolio images. I worked on these accounts back then. And here you can see my pricing. This you can see all those stuff, you can check by yourself. Then some more text here. Contact before placing an order. Yes, I need to know what is the product before I start, and then some more text. You can go and read, and then we'll provide my campaign management SOP for free after this order. Yes, I do that. I'll provide the SOP. Then I'm from India. Started in December 2018, basically in 2019. So let's go, down, and here you see 73 reviews for this gig, all 5-star. Okay, let me refresh one time. Just to show this is a real gig. Okay, now let's go down again. 73 reviews for this gig, all 5-star. And then Sarvasudha, this is Martin Williams. Yeah, Sarvasudha is his profile name, and 5-star reviews. He says he is, which means me, Anoop. Okay, he is really great to work with, very thorough, and has worked with Seller Central to sort out issues that we couldn't solve ourselves. I highly recommend this gig. We have been using this service multiple times with great success. Okay, thank you very much, Martin. And great work as usual. Another client, and then another says Amazon working with Anoop, effectively manage my Amazon PPC campaign, increase sales. And then Zoevel 24, he says I have used this seller before and is very happy with his service. In fact, he offered to assist me a bit longer the second time that I'm using to get the results that I was both want, i.e. he is willing to go the extra mile. Anup was fantastic. Thank you very much, Tay. Okay, Anup was fantastic at managing my PPC campaigns. He knows his stuff. Okay, again Martin, 1 second gig with this seller, and he's exceeding our expectations. I highly recommend him. Oh, perfect. Okay, now one more client says, I'm very happy with this delivery. I am getting more sales now with lower costs. Will be back for more soon. Great work as always. This is Casper. Great work as always. Again, Martin, he says, again, very thorough work. He really knows Amazon, how Amazon works. Okay, Casper says, excellent work, Anoop. And Blue Planet Surf says, another good experience we will have. Again, Anoop is the best. Cost Vita, hey man, thank you very much. He says Anoop is the best. He truly goes out of his way to make sure everything is done right. It feels so good. It feels so good when people feel what you do, feel all the efforts you make, and then they, write it in their reviews. It's yeah, it's so good stuff, man. Okay, then Blue Planet Surf says again, excellent work, thank you. This is second time I use Anoop. He is very responsive and answer all my questions in timely manner. He did excellent on my first product, but we are still working on the second product. Okay, Anoop is amazing. He is my second time working with him. This is my second time working with him. Okay, Sydney Saeed Naqvi. This is my 4th time hiring him because he did a good job, and I'll hire him again for my new product in future. Great job. We have continuous working with Anoop. He is serious about improving our campaign. So list is very long. I cannot cover everything in here. Please go and check by yourself. I will put the link in the description, as I said. And yeah, it's so I'm so grateful for all these people, all these clients who you know who took some time and written all these things, all these good stuff for me. By the way, in case you need help with Amazon PPC, Amazon ads, don't wait, just let me know and let's scale your brand. Yeah, that's it for today. Let's meet very soon with a new video with a new topic. And yeah, bye bye.